Hello everyone. If you are an employer who's struggling to find workers, or if you're an international tradesperson and you're dreaming to work in New Zealand, stop scrolling right now and listen to me. I have only about 7 minutes message for you. How to make your dream reality, how to turn it into a target. I prepared this little presentation for you about this, so please stay with me. My name is Oля Yesina, Tradespeople New Zealand. We are international recruiter and career consultants. Okay, let's go. Today I'll show you how your fear you can turn into clarity and how your dream will turn to real job, real people, and real result without stress and without guessing. Part 1 I have for New Zealand employers, of course. How to go from here to east, how to hire from overseas, and how to do it simple way. Let me share a real life example. New Zealand flooring company was struggling to find skilled workers locally. The demand was there, the projects are waiting, but the team was short. So the owner knew that overseas workers could help, but the process felt new, complicated, and honestly scary. I know that there are some of you who feel exactly the same. I know, because I see you every so often, that some companies still never employ international people, and the process seems to be a bit complicated and scary. So that's where working with the right support changes the situation. Everything actually. The situation employer often face: not enough skilled workers in New Zealand, pressure from clients and deadlines, fear of immigration process and paperwork as well. So you are worried about compliances, mistakes, or delays. How involving my team will make it easier? Your company advertise the role. Step 2. You will apply for employer accreditation and job check. And of course, we will help if you find it too hard. Now, once approved, we propose suitable overseas candidates. How we do it? We will send you clear CV New Zealand style. By the time you approach us, we probably would have a couple of people in the trade you are already available in our books. So we just will advertise and add a few more to have a better choice for you. So we will provide photos and videos of this tradies work. So you will have quite good opinion before of the interview. Then we will set an interview online. It will be Zoom interview with you can see the person like face to face. So you can see what the personality, what their communication style, and what their technical skills as well. So you will be pretty confident you know exactly who you hire. Now, so as soon as you choose the candidate and make a job offer, from here we will take it over. So what we do? We would assist the candidate with visa application process, travel coordination. We will find them the first home in New Zealand, open bank account, and apply for ID number. So the person will come to you ready to work, or we call it work ready. And it will happen within 6-8 weeks from the day you made the job offer to the person. Of course, it can last a bit longer or a little bit sooner. It depends. But approximately, this is a time we need. So for employer, less stress, less guesswork, more productivity. I think it's all clear now. Now you can join us and we will help. Now I will talk to international people, people who are outside of New Zealand right now. You already worked in certain trade for for minimum 3 years, maybe 5, and now you dream to work in New Zealand. You already probably worked outside of your home country in some third country like Singapore, Poland, or Saudi Arabia or similar. So you have good international experience you can show. Okay, but now you're dreaming about New Zealand, and many of you call me and ask me what's your steps, how to deal with this, how can you turn your dream to reality. Okay, this is what you do. I prepared for you today. Now, it is possible to come and work in New Zealand for you. It is possible, but it must be done properly. First, there are only 3 steps. Don't be afraid. It's only 3 steps, but they should be done well, correctly. First of all, you prepare New Zealand style CV. You can Google it and you will find New Zealand style CV in many websites. Now, you have to include your overseas jobs, not only the name of the job, but the job description. What exactly duties you have on that job. Okay, so you're describing what you're actually doing on the job. See, step 1 already done. Step 2, prepare the proof of your skill, or portfolio as we call it. Employee need to see that what you write is true. What you do. You will make maybe photos or short video from the real jobs you do. Samples. You always ask, what can you show? What can you show? I give you a few samples. Say if you are a tiler, you would show surface preparation. You will show different tiles. There are many different, big variety of tiles you may lay. They could be ceramic, could be concrete, could be different. So show different products, how you lay, how you prepare, and how you lay. Maybe the area, what you do, show it before and after, and in the process. Some of you cannot do videos, some can, but even good photos will do if you show the process. Now, say if you are carpenters, there are a lot of carpenters. You may be only formwork carpenter, you may work with wood or metal or whatever, or maybe you are multi-skilled. So you would show some photos of the projects you do. Sometimes in the middle, if you're doing renovation, before and after, before, in the middle and after, and so on. So it depends what exactly you do. Say if you're a plumber, you would have some certification, some special skills, special certification. You would know certain ways of doing things. First of all, you'll write about this in your CV, and secondly, you'll show some photos or videos if possible. Remember that some employers will want you to show a video in real time, so what you're doing today. So you may be showing them what you're doing right now. Now, you may say, as some of you do, I sent application, but I get no response, or very formal response. What shall you do? There are still things to do. If you send an application, for example, you send 30 or 40 applications, and result is still negative. Negative, it means employers sending you very formal response. No any interviews for you yet. So you have to go back to step 1 and step 2. It's showing, your results showing that something is not done correctly or done well in your step 1 and step 2. And remember, your confidence is the most important. Your confidence. Remember that your skills, right employer is needed, but you need to find the right employer. So this will help you to stay confident, knowledge that someone needs your skills. Now, so if you're not getting good response which you want, so you improve your CV, adjust, strengthen, and your portfolio. Maybe add different photos, maybe add some videos. Make it very easy to open. Make sure that it's not no any distractions. So if employer want to click your video, so he can see your video. Okay, there are some tools, but now you can ask Google, you can ask ChatGPT how to do things, and you will learn. That's easy enough, believe me. So every application moves you closer to your goal. Let this will be your slogan. So you don't get upset if you get negative response. You get encouraged that now you one step closer to your goal. Okay, summary. For you employers, hiring overseas people doesn't have to be scary. With the right support, it becomes structured, compliant, and easy, and your business will grow. So, talk to us. For tradespeople, dream becomes reality with clarity, preparation, and persistence. A strong CV, real proof of skill, and the right attitude change everything. New Year resolution tip for you. Don't just wish for change. Build a clear path to it, step by step. Now, how to contact us and how to make things faster dealing with us. For New Zealand employers, just type workers, and we will come back to you and talk to you further, and we'll help you from there. For overseas tradespeople, you can type job in New Zealand and put your skills as well. So you need to type at least 3 words. Job in New Zealand, say plumber, or job in New Zealand, carpenter, or job in New Zealand, tiler. And we come back to you and tell you what to do next. See, it's very, very simple. We will put this text into our blog on our website. So if you haven't heard everything, or I'm speaking too fast, you always can go back to our website and you can check, you can read it. All the information we provided, you can read. And you can sign up from there and do something there. Okay? Now I am almost ready to go to your questions. Okay, I will check your questions and then I will tell you first what vacancies we have right now. Okay, let's do the deal. Okay, I will start from the first people who wrote something. Wonderful, thank you, welcome. Welcome guys, good to see you. Talent job. Yes, please send your CV if you haven't done it yet. Okay, Pirog, welcome, very good to see you. Okay, no questions so far. Good afternoon, very good to see you, Mubarak. Okay, type vacancies. Yes, I will get to vacancies in a moment. Heavy vehicle driver, not right now, but I expect more vacancies for mechanical and driving skills after the Christmas. You know that Christmas is coming. We have Christmas in 2 weeks already. 24th of December is Christmas in New Zealand. and all businesses will be closed for a few weeks, as well as our business as well. But we will inform you about this about 1 week prior. We'll give you exact schedule how we work through Christmas. But for employers, if you work, we are here in New Zealand. We will have your text and we will respond anytime. Okay. Very nice to see you as well. Yes, I will share with you vacancies in a minute. Okay. Driving license, very good. Talent job. Okay, I'm going to our vacancies right now. This is the first, I didn't publish yet. So we're looking for flooring installer, vinyl floor installer, commercial vinyl floor installers with minimum 3 years of experience, with good portfolio. Please apply. Send me your CV separately and your portfolio separately. If your portfolio is on YouTube, make sure I can easily open it. It should be unlisted. Okay? Unlisted or open if you don't have to hide it. Okay, so this is you, flooring people. If you are flooring people, please send your application. Now, if you are a tiler, we have now tiling vacancy. An employer will be interviewing people before Christmas. So please apply. If you haven't done it yet, we might put you forward. Make sure your portfolio is good. For tilers, important to show what your procedure, what exactly tiles can you lay, okay? And how many years your experience is important too. Okay, very good. Okay, there is no questions today. Surprise, surprise. Okay, I will be checking your question for those of you who come into this Facebook Live later. So feel free to ask. I will check. And dear plumbers, we're still looking for you. We're still looking for people experienced in plumbing, gas fitting, drain laying, all three. So if you're doing it every day now, please apply. We are waiting for you. We are looking for you. Okay? We'll take it from there. Most probably, if you're a plumber, I will contact you as soon as I see your CV and ask you for more information, ask for interview. I will start interviewing plumbers as soon as I get their CV. The same for you tilers. As soon as we get your application, we will be trying to get in touch with you. I will text you, I will call you on your WhatsApp, and we'll try to ask you for interview. Okay? Thank you very much for being with me. See you next week. Bye for now.